Hey guys, I welcome you back to Digital Assets. In this quick video, I want to show you now how to claim your reward that you get delegate. This is so very simple. Go to your browser, your MetaMask. So then you will be using this as your reward section. So this is what you use. What you use to delegate is what you use to claim your reward as well. Stake.codeout.org. So once it has been loaded, then you will see something like this. So go to menu, then click on my staking. So if you delegate that time, so I think by now you should have seen your reward. So as you can see here, this is my own reward. So I delegated 41.5. So with 3 validators, and I get 0.18 blah blah blah. So, and you can also check your reward here, as you can see. So each person's reward. Now if you want to claim, this is just very simple. Just click on claim here. Click on claim. Then click on confirm. So once it has been successful like that, so you can now check your wallet. If I reload this one, you see that this claim button will now disappear because I don't have anything to claim for now. So as you can see, it has been disappeared. So if I now get back to my wallet to check, you can see I have 0.3 before. Now it is now 0.5. So that is how to claim your reward anytime you wish to claim, and it is not compulsory for you, and I would advise you not to be claiming it every day. The reason is that if you stake like 1 core and you'll be getting like 0.0001, so which means you will still have to pay gas fee, maybe like 0.1. So that means you are still losing. So I will just advise you to just wait for maybe a few days or even 1 week or even a month. If you can leave it for a month, then you cannot claim after that month because of gas fee. But if you have the gas fee, so you can be claiming every day. So it's your choice. So that is just how to do everything. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with others as well. See you in the next one. Bye.